Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the left control panel end cap on your washer-dryer combo, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Use a 5/16" socket or nut driver to unthread the 3 screws securing the control panel assembly. Fully detach the panel assembly and set it on top of the appliance. Unthread the screws securing the left end cap to the control panel. Detach the old end cap. Before you install the new end cap, make sure the mounting clip is in place. Now align the cap on the control panel assembly. Secure it with the screws. Fully reposition the control panel assembly. Rethread the 3 screws on top. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and your washer-dryer combo should be ready for use.